But I ain't never been with a baddie. I don't feel like that to this party. But it's something that I'm calling out baddie. Like that.
I just wanted you to know that you are very. Girl, you know you love it when I cling to it, to you. Girl, you know you love it when I sing to it, to you. My name behind your name, what I really want. I'm just trying to keep you a lucky charm.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So this is gonna be my first kind of video like this. Okay, so I'm doing something that I've never done before. Get ready with me. I want to do a lot of these actually, but like the way my bathroom set up is like hard to get a right angle, but I'm gonna still try to do it anyway. So I'm about to go out in a little bit, and I just wanted to try and do a light beat, even though every time I freaking do a light beat, it be turning out like a regular beat. But yeah, so we're just gonna hop right into it. I'm supposed to be leaving in 6 minutes, but whatever. I'm gonna just finish this and then I'm gonna leave. So by no means, is what I meant to say. By no means am I a pro. Okay? I don't do makeup. I only do my makeup. Like, it's not my thing. I do what I do. Now I'm not telling you to do it like this, but this is what I do. Okay? So don't yell at me. So first I go in with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Love this stuff. So I just do 2 pumps. Or no, that pump was kind of big. So 1 pump today. 1 pump on my fingers like that big. And then I rub it in. And then I rub it on all over. First, and I wash my hands first because don't touch your face with dirty hands. Rub it all over. Prime the skin. Boom, boom, boom. And I used to like wash my face before I did my makeup. But like I already washed my face and got dressed for today. But like I feel like doing it on top of like moisturized skin is way smarter. So yeah, okay, what do? We prime my face and then I go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. It's in the color dark brown. And my eyebrows need to be done, but I'm trying to grow them back because as you can see, they're like non-existent. So I haven't gotten them done since my birthday, which was in the beginning of October. So we're going strong. So I just brushed them out. Boom, boom, boom. And then I try my best because I'm horrible at brows. I try my best to like create an outline. So I'm looking over here because my mirror is right here, y'all. Create an outline. And then once I do the outline, I just fill it in. And then I like do a little bit at the front of my brows because my front of my brows is really light and really thin. So do the same thing on the other side. And then I draw that. And like I said, I don't know how to do brows. That's like, if somebody was to hold me at gunpoint, ask me to do their brows, I would be dead. Because I can't do brows. Like, this is the best as it gets for me. And this is not even good. So, boom, we did that. And then I go in with, where's it at? My Honey Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer by Too Faced. It's in the shade Honey. And then just take this, and then I take this Sephora, I know this is an Ulta Beauty Blush Flat Concealer Brush. It's number 30. And I'll take this. I have 2 of these, one for my foundation and one for my concealer, but lately I haven't really been doing a lot of, dang, where did that paper towel go? A lot of foundation, because my skin has been looking like pretty clear, so yeah. So what I do, I wipe this off a little bit to make it flat. Then I just do on both sides. And then I go in and outline my brows. Mind you, the shade is lighter than my skin, and I do it on top and bottom. I know people normally do the shade that's their complexion on the top, but I do it on both because, I don't know, I just do. So, hold on, I need some more concealer. Be careful when you be pulling these out because it be splashing and it be getting on my clothes sometimes and then it ruin my whole outfit. And so, yeah, we go in like this. I'm trying to show y'all, but like my mirror is right here, so. Then I do the excess in the middle. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, then we're done with those. So they look alright though, right? Or no, am I wrong? Am I lying to myself? I don't think I'm lying. I don't think I'm the drama. I don't have the drama. I don't think so. So then we put the honey away. Honey is for eyebrows only because it's too light for my under eye. And then we hit them with the warm sand on the under eye. And then I just boom, boom, bridge, there, there, there. And that's how we do that. Hold on to that though. We might need more. I like to be rather highlighted. But I don't know, I'm trying to be light beat, so trying to be light beat. So then we wet our beauty blender. And then, oh, child, there's a lot of water in there. And then I wring it out. And then after I wring it out with a paper towel just to get the rest of the water out, there was a lot of water in there. Dang, it was a lot. It was a lot. Okay. And then we just blend that out. Maybe it's like because I've been using a lot of high concealer. I don't know. Why my beads don't ever look like. I don't know, y'all. And then I blend out the concealer that's on my eyes. My eyebrows. Normally I blend this out with my foundation brush, but I'm being lazy. So that's how we're looking right now. And honestly, it doesn't look that bad. Okay, I'm not gonna do no more concealer today. Okay, so now concealer on. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of foundation. This is the Sephora foundation brush number 56. And then this is Fenty Beauty foundation pro filter, I think, soft matte loungewear in the shade 410. I never knew it said to shake it. And then I literally have been putting like a little teeny droplet on my cheeks. I haven't even been putting it on my forehead. Just a little bit on my cheek. Get those uncovered areas. And then it low-key be looking like contour a little bit. You see what I'm saying? I think you see what I'm saying. Don't mind my lace, y'all. I'm lazy. Yeah, so did that. And then what I do is I go in back with my concealer brush and I just blend on top of the foundation. boom, that looks better, right? Right? And then we're done with that. We're gonna move on to contour. For contour, I just use this brush. I don't know where I got it from. I feel like I got it from Target. It was a real cheap contour brush. I forget the brand. And then I use this NYX matte bronzer in shade medium for contour. I don't use a contour stick. I don't use cream contour. Only use this bronzer. So then we go in. Then we tap. And then, oh wait, you know what I didn't do? I didn't do translucent powder yet. Whatever. I'll be going out of order anyway. Tap. Ooh, just apply it right here where you would normally apply contour. And then I do under here too. Okie. And then can't forget the forehead. And then we go in with, this is a crease brush for eyeshadow, but I'll use it to contour my nose. I just dab it on here. Tap. And then it's angled too, so it makes it good for contour. And I'm gonna go in here like so. I hate when you do your makeup and your nose start running. Literally the worst. Like, who told you to do that? Who told you to start running? Oh, don't mind the faces I'm making. Okay. Nose is cool. And then I go in with my foundation brush and I like try to like blend out any lines that's too harsh. We don't like super harsh lines. We want everything to look blended. Like sometimes I do, sometimes I do like, hold on, piece of hair is like doing the most right now. Sometimes I do like no harsh lines, but not today. We're trying to be blended today. And then, see how that's seamless now? I go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder in the shade Translucent Honey. Just tap that to the top, open it up, boom. Dip this beauty blender in. This is dry, by the way. And then I just go in. Go up. Anywhere that I put concealer is where I use this. Considering I haven't been using a lot of foundation, like this is where I'm gonna be most oily. So yeah. And boom, done with that. And that's all I'll be doing. Sometimes I'll do highlight, most times I won't because I don't be liking it. And sometimes I'll do blush, but most times I won't because I don't think I have the right blush shade for my complexion. So, and I do like to go back into my brows and brush them up. You know, look how they looking. A mess. I really can't do brows, y'all. But in pictures, for some reason, like in the camera, it be making my brows look so perfect. Like, just the straight iPhone camera be making my brows look amazing. So I don't know. let that sit for a little bit. Then I take my wet or damp beauty blender and I just pat the translucent powder in. I don't ever brush anything off. Just pat it in. Oh, my hair, child. Pat it in, and then voila, I already got my lash extensions in. And my lashes is done, so nothing to do with that. But then we're gonna go in with, let me wash my hands first. So I ain't never been with a baddie. I don't feel like that to this patty. But I told you what I'm calling out baddie. Like my friends, I mean, that's baddie. And I'm like, and I'm too shabby. I like to use both a dewy or like normal setting spray and then a mattifying one. And so lately I've been using this Milk Hydro Grip Set and Refresh Spray. First, I use this one first. You gotta shake this one up. Well, you gotta shake all of them up, but shake this one up. And then I go in with some spray, just pulls everything together, you know. I'm only 10 minutes behind, guys. And then I go in with this Urban Decay makeup setting spray and oil control. So basically it's like mattifying. And I don't like to be too matte because then you look chalky. So that's why I use a like a normal setting spray first. And then with this one, I cover my eyes. Okay. And that's it. And then I will do my lip combo, but I'm not doing a lip combo today. I'm just doing clear gloss. Clear gloss and Blistex. That's the way today. I look good. The camera is not really capturing how good I look. I don't know. Let me get up close. See how flawless this looks. Back up some. Yes. Now, that is all, ladies. I'm just gonna put on some Blistex, and then I have this Dior Pump Maximizing Clear Gloss that I'm gonna put on. I'm gonna call it a day. That's all, folks. Quick, short, sweet, and straight to the point. So if y'all like this, if y'all want to do more get ready with me's, if y'all want me to do my hair in my get ready with me, let me know, comment below, all that good stuff. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'm out to go head outside and post well, I'm gonna take some pictures. I don't know if they're gonna get posted or not, but I'll put some pictures in here. And yeah, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to watch my videos. Go watch my lash try on haul and everything if you haven't already watched it. And just thank y'all. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.
Girl, you know you love it when I cling to you. Girl, you know you love it when I sing to it. My name behind your name.